My brothers and sisters, a few more nights remaining. Let's not waste this night. A night that is more valuable than 1,000 months. That's 83 odd years. Between 83 and 84 years. You can do the maths. But my brothers and sisters, some of us spend the night doing the wrong things. That's what I started off by saying. Minimum, don't do the wrong thing. Do the right thing. Another thing, reach out to people in charity during that night. You will get a great reward. Reach out to people in goodness during that night. Do something great and continue. Maybe make a plan. I'm going to do this every night, and you can have a little timetable if you want. Make a mental note of it, what you want to do. And then you might want to go to the masjid if the masjid in your area is open, and if they're having a Taraweeh or Qiyamul Layl thereafter, you might want to join them. Subhanallah. You'll get a great reward. Encourage people to do good. Improve on your character. Check up on your folks, your family, your parents, and so on. And Allah will bless you. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us every goodness and open our doors.